courtesy manual. Today we have this H11 LED and we're gonna use it for a 2017 Honda Pack. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay guys, today we're gonna change the bulb for the fog lights to LED, okay? Because they are yellow and the LED are white. These are the one we're gonna change. This one, okay? Alright guys, to change, this is the one, this is the fog light. We're gonna change the bulb for this one to LED, okay? In order to change this one, you have to remove the bottom part of the plastic to get inside there and twist the ball and get it out. Okay, but I saw another guy doing this, removing this plastic, so I'm gonna do that, okay? So let's see how hard it is to remove this one. I'm gonna use this tool. It's like a plastic. I'm gonna put the link of this one too if you want to get this one too. It's gonna be on the description of the video, okay? So let's remove this one to get access to the bulb. Okay, it's hard to see it from here, but it's under there. Okay, the cable is over there. Okay, now the bulb is out, so let's see the LED bulbs that I have. Okay, these are the LED. I'm gonna put the link for this one. But let's see how bright these ones are. Let's open it. So it has these instructions, and these are the bulbs. See it? Okay, these are nice. It's very small, and it has a fan to cool the bulbs. Okay, and this is the connection. Remember, these connections are positive and negative. So if you connect this and if the bulb doesn't work, you have to unplug the connection, rotate this and connect it back in it, and the bulb will work. Okay, so before you put everything back, make sure that the bulb works. Okay, let's do it. Wow, these are super bright. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. These are nice. Okay, but now you can see the difference from this one to yellow to now white. can see it on the floor. Wow, see the floor difference? This one, yellow. This one, the white. Wow, it's amazing. You can see the light difference. And here, from this to this, it's like twice as brighter than this one. Is twice as brighter. Okay, and this one is not that bright. You can see it on the floor, here and here. These are super nice. So I'm gonna put a link on the description. If you wanna get this, they are gonna be on the description of the video. Okay, right there you can see how bright they are. See on the floor? Super bright. See? Wow, they are super bright. It's raining right now, but you can see the floor, I mean the street, very bright. I like it a lot. Okay guys, those are the H11 LEDs. I use it for the Honda Pilot, for the fog lights. They are super bright and very nice, okay? I'm gonna put the link on the description if you wanna get them, and also all the tools that I used today on the description of the video, okay? If you like the video, please like the video, and if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one, okay? See you on the next video.